In this lesson, we're going to go over how to share a post to your school webpage. If you go to your school webpage, you'll notice that there's an announcement section and it's pulling from your school's Parent Square feed, but it's only pulling posts that you select to be public. This feature allows you to share select posts with the public even if they do not have a Parent Square account. If you click on one of these posts, it opens up a new tab and it does not require a login to see the information. There are two different ways to make a post public, depending if you've already made the post or if you're making a new post. Let's go back to the Castleman Creek Elementary Parent Square page and say we want to take a post that we made the other day and turn it public. Let's do this. Online registration begins June 28th. All you have to do is come over to the gear icon, click on the gear icon, scroll down to where it says share and do share to website. It's going to come up with a warning message saying, hey, sharing a post will make this and everything attached to it, whether it's pictures or anything, publicly accessible. No login will be required to view this post. You check confirm that you want to do that and you click the share button. And what it's going to do is it's going to share this post, and it will take a few minutes to show up into the feed that is on your web page, but you'll get this little indication right here that says this post can be viewed by users outside of Parent Square, and you have a share icon with a yellow highlight. That means that post has been made public. The other way to share a post is when you're making a new post. So if you click new post, do everything like normal, make sure you're sharing it to your school. I'm going to select parents and staff. You would give your post a title, and then you would add the content of your post. Over to the left under post add-ons, you'll notice that it says share this post. Here is where you would click and it will give you the warning, say make sure that you want to. You say confirm and you do continue. And what you'll notice is it gives you a little preview below your content writing block there. It's just a preview of what it would look like to share. You would compose your post like normal, and then you would hit post now, and now that is the other way to make it public. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Select which post you want to be made public, and it will automatically show up under the announcement section on your school's webpage.